Who qualifies for the child tax credit in Latino families with mixed immigration status? In recent news, many families are asking an important question. Who qualifies for the child tax credit in Latino families with mixed immigration status? This topic is trending as tax season approaches, and families want to ensure they understand their eligibility. The child tax credit can provide significant financial support, so let's break down the requirements to see who can benefit. First, to qualify for the child tax credit, the child must be under the age of 17 at the end of the tax year. Additionally, the child must be a United States citizen, United States national, or a resident of the United States. This includes children who are lawful permanent residents or have other qualifying immigration statuses. Next, residency requirements state that the child must have lived with the taxpayer for more than 6 months of the year. There are exceptions for children who are temporarily away at school or serving in the military. Income limits also play a role in eligibility. For the tax year of 2022, the child tax credit begins to phase out at an income of $150,000 for married couples filing jointly. For single filers, the phase-out begins at $112,500. Now, let's talk about the immigration status of parents. Parents or guardians claiming the child tax credit do not need to be United States citizens. However, they must have a valid Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number for tax purposes. The key point is that the child must meet the citizenship or residency requirements. In families with mixed immigration status, eligibility for the child tax credit depends on the child's immigration status rather than the parents'. If the child is a United States citizen or qualifying resident, the family may qualify for the child tax credit, even if the parents are not United States citizens. To apply, families must file their tax returns and claim the child tax credit on Form 1040. They may also need to complete Form 8812, which is used to calculate the child tax credit. For non-citizen parents who do not qualify for a Social Security number, they can apply for an individual taxpayer identification number to file taxes and claim the child tax credit. However, they must meet all other eligibility criteria. Understanding these requirements can help Latino families with mixed immigration status navigate the tax system and potentially benefit from the child tax credit. As tax season approaches, being informed is essential for maximizing available benefits.